Hi everybody, I'd like to share a project which uses the MCL65 Plus to essentially convert an Apple II into an Apple I. The MCL65 Plus right here, it's a 6502 emulator drop-in. It uses a Teensy 4.1 to emulate the 6502. Plus it contains the original Apple II ROMs, which are the 256 byte the WAS monitor, also the 8K of motherboard RAM, DRAM, and then also some code to remap the video and the keyboard to that of the Apple II. Additionally, it supports a UART, input and output, and then some of the programs are already stored in the Teensy's memory. So let me see. There's the terminal there. Let's see. So let's demo a few things. First of all, the Apple test program, which is part of the user manual, Apple I user manual right here. So after you first put the Apple I together, they suggest you run this program. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm just going to cut and paste it into this window here. You can see the terminal also controls the Apple I. So let's see, paste right there. And then it's running at 0, so hit 0, and then go. So this is a lot faster than the Apple I because the Apple I has to wait for the cursor to come around once every screen. So basically after 1,000 characters worth, you can only print one character at a time, so that really slows it down. I don't have that limitation here. So we'll stop this program. I have BASIC stored in memory already, and it's at E000. And then if I say run, all right, that's the BASIC prompt. So rather than type it in, I'm just going to cut and paste a small program here. Paste. And then RUN. There. And then finally, let's reset it. There's an Apple I anniversary program, which is at 280. I have that stored in memory already also. So run, and there it is. All right, so with the MCL65 Plus, you just drop it in place of the 6502, and you can essentially turn your Apple II into an Apple I. Thanks.